everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to another Saturday tutorial. I finally got my Facebook Live settings working so I could flip the camera right side up, so thankful to have that done. Before we get started, just want to remind you, if you place an online order this month, I will send you a free gift. Make sure to use the host code and the link in the description below to place your order. Okay, so this week I am featuring the Frosted Gingerbread Suite. Now I know some of these items are no longer available, but the cards I'm showing you can be used with any Christmas or birthday or whatever designer series paper you want, or any other stamp set. I had already designed these. This is my last week of Christmas videos, and then starting next Thursday I will be featuring some of our new celebration items that are going to be coming out beginning of January that you can earn free with an order. So very excited about that. But I just wanted to finish off the month with my Frosted Gingerbread Suite because I like this, but these are very generic products that can be used, or projects that can be used with a number of different Stampin' Up! Products. Okay, so we're gonna make a very quick gift card holder. This is kind of my go-to design for a gift card holder. I have my real red cardstock cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and then I have scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Or is that 2 3/4? I feel like that's not. I scored it at, I'll post measurements later, 2 and 5 1/2. I'm looking at that and thinking, no, that's not 2 3/4. So it's 2 and 5 1/2. I'll get it together. All right, so we're going to crease on those score lines. And what we're gonna do is make a pocket out of here. And this is where your gift card's gonna go. So I'm just going to punch a little notch, and I'm just using this tailored tag punch. I'm just cutting a little notch so that if you have your gift card in here, you can just kind of slide it out like that. And to create the pocket, I'm just going to use a teeny bit of the Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue right on the edges, and then hold that for a second. That makes a really strong seal so that we can put that gift card right in there. And then I've cut a piece of basic white cardstock. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a 2-inch piece of designer series paper I'm going to pop on right there. But before I do that, I'm going to stamp, because we always stamp and then glue, just in case we have an accident. We can flip our paper over. So we always stamp and then glue. All right, that went down just right. So I'm just putting a little bit of my liquid glue on the back. We're going to adhere this. This is the inside of our card. And it's off center because we're going to put this little strip down here. I like this little plaid. I like all the colors and textures in it. All right, so our inside is done, except for gift card. Gift card's not included. All right, I cut this. This is going the right direction. You can cut it, it's cut out of the same piece of paper, sorry. So it's going to line up when I put it on here, but it doesn't have to. All right, so we're covering the front panel. Then I've cut a piece of real red and another piece of the basic white. And I'm going to stamp this other sentiment. It says, wishing you a Merry Christmas. And I'm just going to, I think I'm going to stamp this kind of in the upper left. And then I have die cut. This is one thing I like. This is my favorite die cut in this set, is this snowflake. It's so gorgeous. And I took a little piece of, I think this is Pear Pizzazz, and it cuts out the detailed die and then kind of the solid die, and you can glue that on top. I'm not using a ton of glue. I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle and then a little dot on each of these little snowflake spokes. That's what I would call them. I don't know what else you call them. Okay. All right, we're going to assemble this. This is such a quick and easy card to make. I love quick and easy cards, but look cute. And people say, how'd you make that? And I said, it's magic. Or come to a class and I will show you, or watch my video. Okay, so I'm gluing down just the part that goes to the left panel. You don't want to have glue over here because you want it to be able to open and close. Let me move this so we don't have any accidents. And then we're going to pop up our snowflake. Well, I'll put two. I'll put 2 dimensionals here. Pop up my snowflake right there, and then we're going to add a little bit of bling. Add some red rhinestones. Of course, I'm going to put one right in the middle of the snowflake. Whoops. Let's put that back in there. I love this tool because it has so many little fun attachments. Let's see. I'm just going to do a sprinkling. This is going to be a 5 rhinestone card. It's so sparkly. The paper's not sparkly, so you have to add a little bit of sparkle. Isn't that cute? So I made another one. I just used a different designer paper. Otherwise, it's the same. But look how cute. This has the little peppermint papers, and I did Sending You Peppermint Kisses. And then on this one, I just did Happy Holidays with the plaid. But so easy, it looks super cute. Any paper you use is gonna work. Any snowflake or, you know, whatever, if you wanna stamp a little heart or you know, a Christmas tree, whatever you wanna do will look awesome and great. We always need gift card holders at the last minute. I give my kids Starbucks cards all the time, so I make a lot of these. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by. Make sure to check in Monday, our last holiday project of 2021. We're gonna do a cute little treat holder. All right, thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.